Hello everyone, so if you want to set up a call forwarding on your Motorola Razr 50, well, first of all we are to open up our phone tab. Now at the top right corner locate these three buttons and tap on them. Now you gotta press settings. Now in your settings choose your calling accounts option. Choose your calling account, so your SIM card. Now go to your call forwarding section. Give your phone a few minutes to load this section up. Alright, when we're loaded, and as you see, we have four options: always forward, when busy, when unanswered, when unreachable. So choose the option which you want to set up. For example, we want our calls be forwarded when we are unanswered, and simply enable your number. You can also add it up from your contacts by pressing on this icon. However, if you don't have one, simply enter it by yourself. And now press turn on and give it a few seconds to turn on. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.